My experience with IDBM so far has been amazing. I have loved every part of studying in this, and not just like the academic part, but like the community that we have built. And I think from the knowledge that I've learned is mainly on how do I frame my problem statement and how do I go about forming a solution. What tools you use, how do you communicate it, how do you communicate the problem, the solution, and with the people. And I think the most important part is that they train us tremendously in how do you pitch your solution. And I think that has helped me a lot, that you know exactly how to get the solution from you to the person that is in front of you.
When I was kid, my dream was become a fashion designer. Now it shifted, but my creativity is still alive. Now I want to work with design, marketing and sustainability, doing something meaningful and innovative. The best thing in IDBM is how interdisciplinary it is. It's been very interesting to work creative projects and tackle real-world problems. Comparing my previous studies, Aalto's teaching style is more hands-on and collaborative. The emphasis in interdisciplinary work and real-world challenges was new and surprising for me.
I wanted to pursue an interdisciplinary program in my master's, which allowed me to build on and sharpen my design skills while also gaining insights into the business side of things. And IDBM was the perfect fit for that. Not only does it expose me to other expertise and other ways of thinking beyond my own, but it also directly connects back to my like of being in team settings and working with people who bring other perspectives to the table. Coming from a design background, I knew that Aalto was a very highly regarded institute in terms of the design programs, and I also knew that it was a really lovely place in terms of the multicultural aspect and the multidisciplinary aspect. And I can say that my experience has lived up to what my expectation was.
So I started as an engineer, and then in my third year I realized that I might like management a little more than engineering. So then eventually I ended up working in supply chain, and especially in a very fast-moving environment. Then I learned a new way of dealing with solutions, and I was actually like having a really fun with that. But here I also realized that I'm still a tech person. So then when I wanted to do my master's, I was clear that I did not want to pick a particular discipline. I wanted something that gives me a mix of all the disciplines that's there. Then I had somebody who had already studied in Aalto, and they told me that they really loved their experience studying here. And while I was searching for courses in Aalto, I stumbled upon IDBM, and it was exactly what I was looking for. It was just like, yeah, we give like a mix of business, tech and design courses to you. We teach you how to mix this. And for me, it was exactly what I was looking for. I did not want a specific discipline. I wanted, as a tech person, to explore more into how business and design works.
I've developed skills in service design through a real-world industry project, developed how to design business models, really worked on my public speaking and pitching skills, and I've also really refined my teamwork skills, and I'm able to work very easily now with people that have expertise other than my own. So I come from India. And it was a pleasant surprise here to understand how healthy the balance between work or study life and personal life is. There is enough time to pursue a hobby or join a student club. So I think that balance and that downtime that you have outside of studies is really important and has been a really nice change.